What we are going to be doing inside this video, we are going to change this text to an image. In this case, we are going to be inserting this image in here. Now again, all the access will be below this video. If you click down below inside download Young Beautiful, you are going to get transferred to this page. In my case, I already downloaded this image and I have my image in here. The next step will be modifying the image size. So we are going to modify canvas and image size. The width in this case will be 944 pixels. Let's click OK. The next step will be modifying the height, which will be equal to 234 pixels. Let's click on the crop tool, and down there you can notice the height. We are going to have 234, and then let me move down in here, right there, double click, and that will be the image we are going to be using inside this module. Let's click on second up, and now we are going to select PNG 8 and analyze the size. Let's go and analyze with the GIF better quality, and that will have a smaller size. So we are going to go to File and Export. Then we are going to save this image as girl 1. Let's click Save. Now we are going to go back, and inside the administrator we are going to go to Extensions and Module Manager. Let's scroll down and click inside the showcase. Then we are going to go down, and in here we are going to insert the image. Let me eliminate all that text. Click on Image and then on Browse, and inside my desktop I am going to find my picture, click Open and start upload. There we are. Make a selection on the picture, and we are just going to give a girl, and down here and girl. Then we are going to go to Insert, and that will be it. Let's go up in here, and inside the advanced options we are going to add inside the module class suffix underscore single show. Let's go back in here and click Save. Now we are going to go back to the home page and click Refresh. The final step, my friends, will be applying some margins inside this image. Let me right click, you know what, make a selection down here, right click and view selection source. If you analyze the HTML markup, you are going to have the ID showcase, and down below you are going to have the class custom single show. So we are going to do this, copy the class, going back, and down here we are going to write down hash and showcase space, and then the class space and image. Open the curly brackets, and we are going to apply a margin. Let's write down the 4 zeros right there, semicolon. Then we are going to go back and click print screen inside our keyboard, going back to Adobe, Ctrl N, click OK and Ctrl V. We are going to analyze the dimensions in here. Let's click on the crop tool, and we are going to have 9 pixels. What we are going to do is eliminate 1 pixel on the left, and we are going to add 8 pixels on the top. Let's go back and do that. Then on the top we are going to add 8 pixels, and then on the left we are going to subtract 1 pixel. Let's click Ctrl S, and we are going to right click, upload, going back and refresh. You know what? We are going to go back and eliminate the negative 1 pixel. There we are, Ctrl S, and we are going to upload everything again. Refresh, and then what we are going to do is click on print screen, then going back to Adobe, and we are going to open a new image. Click on Ctrl N and click OK. Then we are going to right click with the zoom tool, fit all, and Ctrl V. What we are going to do in here is analyze the width inside this side. Okay, we are going to have 9 pixels. And then on the right side we are going to have, let me make a selection in here, 17 pixels. So actually, if you analyze, we are going to have 8 more pixels on the right. What we are going to do is going back to the image, and we are going to click Ctrl C several times right there, and we are going to change the size. Let me click on canvas image size, and then change the width to 952 pixels. Click OK. Then with the crop tool we are going to have the same height, 234. There we are. Then we are going to move a little bit down right there, double click, and then we are going to go to second up, and inside the right here, the optimize panel, the JPEG better quality. Going back again to file and export, and replace this girl1.jpg, click save, okay, and then we are going to go back to the Mozilla, right click, and open view image on a new tab. We are going to be replacing this image, going back to FileZilla, and we are going to go to the images folder in here, because it will be easier in this case. Going back down here and find the girl one, right click, upload, then go back and check the dimensions in here, click refresh. There you have it. Now we are going to go back and refresh one more time, and as you can see, my friends, now all the sides are going to be equal to each other. And have in mind this, every time that you want to insert an image inside this module from now on, you are going to be using an image with the dimensions 952 pixels times 234 pixels. Don't forget that, okay, my friends, for this video. That will be it, and let's move on.